data points. In this app we can visualize the two variable equations, and we can play around it with the no equation, infinite solution, and the one solution. We have another page to visualize the three variable equations with the one solution, infinite solution, and the no solution. We can also enter the coefficient and also customize the color, and we can see the result from the here. If you don't know what is the linear system equation, I am providing a brief description about each, and further if you want to learn you can visit the Khan Academy. Thank you.